Hello, I'm Chuck Baldwin, and I'm a candidate for the President of the United States with the Constitution Party. You know where my opponents stand on gun control. That's right, John McCain and Barack Obama both believe that gun ownership can and should be restricted. For John McCain, that fact is dependent upon what day of the week it is and which way the wind is blowing. Well, today the Supreme Court did something truly unusual. They ruled in favor of the Constitution. That's right. They ruled in favor of your Second Amendment rights. The Supreme Court actually followed constitutional direction, which is something they rarely do. American citizens use a firearm to defend themselves more than 2.4 million times every year. And of that number, more than 192,000 times, it's a woman defending herself against sexual assault. In less than 8% of those occasions was a shot actually fired. For those women, just having a gun was a great equalizer. I don't know about the other guys, but if my wife or daughters were threatened, I would want them to be able to exercise their Second Amendment rights. Now, my Republican opponent is all over the place following this Supreme Court ruling, trying to make it look like he's been doing this all along. But a short review of his history will reveal that on the Second Amendment issue, just like many others, John McCain is all over the map. Now that he's running for president, he is trying to park himself as close to the Constitution as his ego will allow. It's not very close and certainly isn't very believable. At least Barack Obama is not changing his story today. He has yet to see a firearm he was not willing to restrict. His position on the Second Amendment would allow only criminals to carry weapons. Honest, law-abiding citizens would be just plain out of luck. As president, I will stand firm and defend the rights of my family and yours. Richard Henry Lee, a signer of the Declaration of Independence, once said, quote, "To preserve liberty, it is essential that the whole body of the people always possess arms, and to be taught alike, especially when young, how to use them," close quote. Charlton Heston, that great defender of liberty, once said, quote, "The law-abiding citizen is entitled to own a rifle, pistol, or shotgun. The right, put simply, shall not be infringed." That spirited and ardent defender of the Second Amendment did not live to see this ruling, a dream he worked hard to achieve. And if you are like the majority of other law-abiding citizens in this country and just plain scared of Obama, and you don't trust John McCain, and it's time to take another Heston quote to heart. In a speech before the NRA convention on June 1998, Heston urged members to close ranks to fight gun control advocates. He said it's time to get together or get out of the way. This is the year to do just that. And I'm the candidate who's always been right on this and other issues when it comes to the Constitution. If we don't get together now, there may never be another chance. We need your help. We need your vote, your prayers, and your financial support. Please go to my website, Baldwin2008.com. That's Baldwin2008.com to sign up and join the campaign. The Second Amendment, this kind of wisdom does not fade with age. It just gets better, and it's called the Constitution, the right to keep and bear arms. And now that's worth a thought defending.
Whoa.